TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everyone, Basil Chapman, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up in a few minutes' time. As soon as we finish this TFNN noontime update, the Dow is down 700 points at 21,220. What does that mean? It means that this little rectangle sideways move that had a high of 22,595 and a low in the 21,500s has been taken out. We've gone down to a low today of 21,022. I'd said to subscribers to my opening call, my daily newsletter this morning, I said, we don't want to see the Dow in the 19,000s. Once you go back from the 20,000 to the 19, back into the teens, it's a psychological level, 20,000, said millennium level. We want to be up in the 20,000 area. But right now, we're nicely up. We're over 1,100, almost 1,200 points above it. But that's not the issue. The issue is sustainability and chart formation, because you start, instead of this cup formation and the V-shaped pattern we said was a possibility if we were able to break to leg B above 22,595, very quickly would be very positive. Otherwise, it's a stalling formation. And in fact, now we have to consider that there is an alternate waveform, and that is the arch formation right there. Okay, so we've got two fighting patterns. Yesterday, the S&P went above the left side high of peak A and it went to leg B. It's now peak B if there's no new high today. And we're looking at it below the 9 and 14 period moving averages, down 92 at 24.91. There was a really sharp attempt at a rally earlier on, and then it started to fail. Now this does not look good. And I'll be going through a whole bunch of things in my show coming up in a few minutes' time. Questions I had about when to enter, what about long-term positions, when you add to positions, when you start to peel off. We'll go into that very soon. QQQ at 185.35, the NDX 100 trading vehicle down 5. Here again, it's a little bit better than the S&P, but it's not great because it went to that peak B, just kind of snuck above, went to leg B, and now it's pulling back. The stochastic still only at 69%. Early in the game, there's a lot of work. You don't want to see this under 182. I just want to do gold now because gold is having a rally. It's up 8 at 1604, but look at this. The dollar continually is trying to push higher. So there's this dichotomy between the two. I'll talk more about it. We'll talk about bonds, we'll talk about crude oil, and we'll talk about the volatility index and what should be happening in this particular time period. I'll be back in a couple of minutes for the Tiger Technicians Hour. Hope you can